everyone. I've been waiting to do this for like a month now and we're finally getting around to it. I know I've teased it on my Instagram page a couple of times and people are kind of like, hurry up and get the video out. So I'm finally doing this video, but today I'm gonna be showing you how to make coconut milk. I have started making coconut milk in the last like month or so, ever since I started doing an elimination diet where I can't have dairy. At first I was buying almond milk and stuff like that, but eventually I ran out of almond milk and I went to go buy more. And I was in the store like looking at it and I was like, holy cow, I don't remember it being so expensive. And I was like looking at the ingredients and there were so many additives and stuff like that. I was like, oh my gosh, this is like any benefits I was getting from the almond milk and the coconut milk that I was buying. Like there's so many additives and preservatives and all kinds of just gross stuff that I'm like, any like nutrients and stuff that I'm getting from this is totally like not even worth it. So I started looking into making it myself and I've been making coconut milk. It's a little bit easier than almond milk, I think, plus it's way cheaper. I've been making coconut milk for like a month now. It's so easy, it's so good. There's no preservatives at all. There's one preservative, so you make it out of coconut and that coconut has like an anti-clumping thing in it that doesn't really bother me because it's so minimal. So it's basically just straight coconut and water, and I want to show you guys how to do it because it's so good. Before we get started on how to make the coconut milk, I'm going to include a timestamp like right here or something for where to jump to if you just want to watch the part on how to make it. But first I want to tell you about a couple of like the nutrients and the benefits of coconut milk, because honestly after I get done with this diet and I'm technically allowed to have dairy again, at least as far as the milk, like I love cheese and I love ice cream, but honestly, as far as milk goes, I'm never going back because this stuff tastes so good and there's so many more benefits than drinking dairy is. So I'm going to be telling you about a couple of these benefits and then you can see for yourself if you think coconut milk is right for you. So coconut milk is made from the meat of a mature coconut. I always thought that it was like I never knew the difference between coconut water and coconut milk. I thought they were kind of like sort of the same thing, but no, it's made from the meat of a mature coconut and you buy it here. I'll actually show you. I just buy it in bulk. I have a huge bag of it here. It's just like when you get it like on a smoothie bowl or something like that. I get it completely unsweetened. And this is what I make it with, and I just blend it with warm water. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that later. It has so many nutrients and vitamins. I will list the list right here so you can see for yourself so I don't bore you with listing them all out. But it's an excellent source of all of these things. And it does have some protein in it, which also makes it a good replacement for dairy because a lot of people are like,
oh no, but if you're not drinking dairy, like where are you gonna get all your protein?
This does have protein in it and it has a medium, okay, disclaimer. I don't actually know what I'm talking about. This is just what I've read and what I can comprehend. So if I say something wrong and you're like, what on earth are you talking about? Like, I'm sorry, I don't actually know what I'm talking about, but this is what I understand and it all sounds really good to me. So I'm gonna repeat what I have learned, but if I repeat this wrong, I am sorry. Do your own research as with anything. I made notes. Basically, it has a healthy medium chain fatty acid known as lauric acid, which has many health benefits. The lauric acid found in coconut milk can help with your cholesterol levels. It can help lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and promote the overall health of our blood vessels and skin. That sounds pretty good to me. Studies have shown that medium chain fatty acids can help prevent weight gain and stimulate weight loss, as well as boost your immune system. So these are things that drinking a reasonable amount of coconut milk every day can help you do. And as far as dairy, I've never heard any benefits, anything like that. So that alone is good enough for me to switch over. Coconut milk can help nourish and promote the health of the digestive tract and lining and relieve some digestive related ailments due to its hydrating electrolytes and healthy fats. This improves your gut health and promotes the nutrient uptake from the healthy foods that we eat, which is another thing that I really like, because if you're trying to eat healthy foods, if it can help to promote the nutrient uptake, like that's A++ in my book. From what that means to me, I don't actually understand any of this, but I'm trying. It can help reduce and prevent inflammation because of the healthy fatty acids found in it, as well as its nutrients and healthy compounds. So it is great to help treat joint and muscle pain, as well as people with arthritis symptoms, which is another thing that I really like about it, because I had some postpartum issues with joint inflammation and stuff like that. And so every now and then that'll come back, because I guess I was nutrient deficient in something that I haven't figured out yet. So drinking the coconut milk has really helped with that in the last month. So anyway, those are just a couple of quick little things that I jotted down that I wanted to mention, as I've been doing a little bit of research in coconut milk since I've started making it. Now, let's go show you how to make it, because it's so delicious and so good. You're gonna start out by boiling 2 cups of water and mixing your coconut in with it. You're gonna do 1 cup of coconut to 4 cups of water, but I like to start out with 2 cups of boiling water and then add in 2 more cups of cool water. Otherwise, when you blend it, your blender is gonna explode because you can't have hot water. So now you're gonna blend it for 1 to 2 minutes, depending on how powerful your blender is. And then once it's done, you're gonna strain the liquid through a nut milk bag. You can use like just a tea towel or anything else for this, but if you're making it quite a bit, like, it is worth it to get a nut milk bag, I think. And there is still pulp, so you're definitely gonna still have basically that full cup worth of coconut. So you wanna get that out so your milk is smooth. And you wanna really wring every last drop out of there, which is especially why I really recommend getting a nut milk bag, because it is made to withstand that much just wringing it out. And then you should be left with some nice smooth milk and the pulp. And then there are things that you can do with the pulp. You can actually make coconut flour out of it. I haven't tried that, so I can't show you how to do it, but I know you can. And then coconut milk actually separates, kind of similar to the way that natural cow's milk does. So you're gonna find that you have these like pieces that harden in there. And it's kind of like, you know how coconut oil hardens when it gets cold? It's the same general idea, because they're both from a coconut. Oh, here, turn it around. There you go. Always have to give William a little bit of the fresh, warm coconut milk. He loves it. Is he so good? Is he so good? He always knows when I'm making coconut milk, he's gonna get a treat soon. He's super duper excited. All right, so that's how you make coconut milk. I hope you guys try it out. It is honestly, even if you've tried coconut milk from the store before, it tastes completely different. It tastes so good. It tastes just like the beach or something. Like, it tastes like I would expect to go to like Bora Bora and they give you like one of those drinks that that you see like this in a coconut with a little straw peeking out and the little umbrella like thing sticking out of it. Like, that's basically exactly what it tastes like. So let me know if you try it. I hope you do. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful and you learned something. Leave me a comment down below. Thanks guys, bye. I'll see you in a couple days.